Hi sir. So now machine is ready for trial sir. So this machine we are going to dispatch to Nagpur. So the painting everything is done now. So we are going to start the production for this machine. This is around like 20 kg capacity machine, fully wooden machine. So from top to bottom is made up of single wood. So this is a crushing wood. For lifting this we are using this crane part. So this is the remote. If you press down it will go up, if you press down it will come down. So now it's fully went up. So if you press down it will come down. So here we need to connect this hole with this hole. So here we have one hole and we need to connect this hole. So before doing that, I'll just connect it. So we need to connect this. So just put this locker. So we have two holes in this. One is in the cap and another one is in the shaft. So we just need to connect like this, and bottom we need to tighten this first. One, two, three, four, five. So bottom we need to tighten 8 threads and back side we need to tighten 20 threads. So here by using this spanner, so we'll give this spanner 32 size spanner. So by using this we need to tie this. So if tightening is difficult, you can use this side also for tightening it. This way you have a more area. So back side also we can tie this. This side will be free because that side we have a crane. So this crane pipe will be fixed in that side. So back side if you can come to the back side and you can tie this. So this is only the tighten we should keep when you are starting the machine. So bottom if you count it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more thread. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have tightened 8 threads in the bottom. So now this back side thread we need to tie it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 20 threads. So back side 20 is enough. So bottom we need to tighten 8 threads in this area. So this is for the crushing part will be kept inside, so the cake will not go in the bottom of the crushing part. So this one is for crushing the cake. So this will crush the raw material in this area. So this is for this big spring for keeping this tension in this direction, and the small spring for up and down direction tension it will be maintained. So now we can start the production. So now we need a 1 liter water for grinding. So this is a groundnut. So groundnut we can put minimum 12 kg, maximum of 20 kg of raw material we can process in my machine. So now we can start the machine. So this is the button for starting the machine. So this lock should be kept locked inside the drum. Now we need to pour around like half liter water. Maximum 75 ml it will record. So slowly we just need to pour the water. So around like 750 ml, like normally this raw material will consume 750 ml of water. So directly I am adding 750 ml. But starting you need to find it out by adding half liter first, then slowly we need to add water. But this normally will consume 750 ml of water. So you can see that the groundnut started becoming powder. So we just need to wait for 5 minutes. See that, sir, like within 5 to 10 minutes the oil started coming. Fully it become cake. So now we have added around like 750 ml we had added first, and again around like 100 ml added again. So around like 850 ml I have added. So now oil started coming for this raw material. So the adding of water will be based on the moisture content of the seed. So if the seed moisture content is more, we need to add a little bit water. If it is very dry raw material, we need to add a little bit more water. Basically we should use dried raw material. The moisture should be only 5 to 6%. So now you can see that the groundnut oil started coming from the cake. So now you can see that the oil is fully stored inside the drum. So now we'll take the oil out. So it's almost around like half an hour it's over. So we just need to keep the hole in the right side of the machine. So if you remove that lock, oil will come out easily. So if the cake is sticking with the crushing odor, this is the crushing odor. So if the cake is sticking with the crushing odor, we just need to spray some water on the crushing part, sir. So the cake will not stick with the crushing odor. So this is small tricks to run the machine. So you can see that after applying oil to the water to the wooden part, now it's not sticking. Just need to apply some oil, water on the crushing part, so that is enough. So the cake will not stick with the crushing odor. So you can see the difference, sir. From starting it is like powder, like now it's becoming cake. So this is the transformation from the raw material to the cake. So what are the oil inside the cake, it will be coming out from the machine by crushing the cake. So this is a natural method, 100% organic and healthy method to extract the oil from the seed without any chemicals or any chemical process. Without heat and all, we are producing the oil from this machine. So now, so you can see inside it's become dry cake. So oil fully went down. So now we'll take the oil out. We just remove the clock, oil will come out. The machine is almost completed. So the cake has been completely removed from the machine. So now inside it's only wooden part is there. So oil we have taken out around like 40% we have got the oil output. So this is a cake. This is fully dried cake. This is groundnut cake. It can be used for cattle like cows and goats. They'll be feeding all this cake. So almost the process completed. If you are going to do the next batch regularly, then no need to lift that crushing part outside. So without losing the springs, we can use this machine for next batch without losing anything. We can put the next batch and we can start the production. But if you are not going to do the next batch, we just need to remove the crushing part outside. So spanner, we need to lose the small spring first. So full loose, we need to lose the spring loose. So after losing the small spring, so now it's fully loose. So now we need to lose the back spring. So now this is also fully loose. Now we can remove the pin now. So after losing these two springs only, the pin will come out. So now we need to remove the crushing bar outside. So for that we need to keep the crushing bar straight. When we are pulling the crane, we should use only the steel rope to pull the crane part. So this is the use of the crane, so we can easily lift the crushing part outside. So now crushing part is removed outside, and inside you can see that. So there is only a little bit cake. So crushing part is removed. So that's it. This is how we need to produce the oil from the cold press oil extracting machine, fully wooden machine. So thank you for watching this video, sir. Thank you.